The hustle culture tells us that we have to work 24/7, all day, all night, in order to be able to achieve our dreams. Now, the problem with that is burnout. How many times have you burnt out, or have you burnt out yet when you were going to work with a new customer and you were totally just like trying to just get a couple shots of espresso to get through and to be able to serve that customer? In today's video, we want to talk about how realtors can get leads even on vacation. And there's going to be 7 parts to this video that we want to go over today. By the end of the video, I'm going to give you lead systems that you can trust even on vacation that can help you generate more leads and help you be able to save additional time so you can use that time with your precious loved ones, friends, family, and whatever you wish to do. So number 1, there's the myth that we have to work 24/7 all day and all night. Do you feel like you always have to be on mentally? Is that something that comes up for you? We want to make sure that you understand working smarter can help you so you don't have to work harder and you can still be able to generate leads. Number 2, we're going to go over the top tools that you can use to generate more leads in your business. Having a website, filming videos on YouTube, driving that traffic from your YouTube over to your website, and then utilizing warmly.com to be able to capture those specific leads. Technically, those are 4 things that you're going to be doing, but those are what you could be able to do to be able to help yourself take advantage of what you've already done, like I'm doing now, filming a video and driving that traffic to your website. And individuals, you can capture first name, last name, and the email information of individuals go to your website with warmly.com and they don't have to do anything. Number 3, the power of pre-vacation planning, where you can set and forget your lead flow process. You can break down a checklist and schedule the automation before you go on vacation, like including your content batching, what you're going to be posting, and scheduling your posts on automation. So then in Instagram and even in YouTube, you can be able to set your videos before you go on vacation to go out while you're on vacation. So all you have to do is just comment back on the comments on your videos or posts and watch the leads come into your website. Number 4, utilizing video while you're away. Something like this. They go to your website, you can have a video walkthrough tour to walk them through the process of how they navigate your website, whether it's looking to buy with you, sell with you, list with you, doesn't make a difference. Relocation, that can happen automatically, and you can be able to track who watches this video because this video technically can be unlisted. And as you can see here, we already have a video here where you can go down here and you can see we have 301 views from that video walkthrough tour automatically. Now I can also take this down and go over here and I can see this is videoask.com where you're asking them, do you want to buy with me, sell with me, relocate? You can go through that process with Video Ask, and that's going to be a video funnel to help you be able to save time when you're on vacation so you don't have to be on the call, you don't have to be on the text, and you don't have to be on the email to have more success with this process. Number 5, creating an irresistible lead magnet that works 24/7. Something like we've done here where you can see the Houston guide automatically pops up if I go to the original Houston, Texas site.com. And if I want to go to the buy side and I was on vacation, I can drive someone to this location and I can see that I can fill out a form, which this form will be here to be able to be filled out to find out specifically when do they want to buy a home, when do they want to sell a home, and we can ask them very pertinent questions to be able to say, are they 9 to 6 months out? Are they 1 to 3 months out? If they're sooner than later want to buy a house like 1 to 3 months, then that's when you know, so you get back off vacation, you need to reach out to this person. You have, what is there going to be their budget? Do they have a pre-approval in hand? This can go out to the preferred lender that you work with and also can go out to your CRM and email. They can also be able to search for homes, and then they can download that guide and they can access a guide to learn about your specific area or buying with you, selling with you, and then they can read testimonials, and then they can be able to automatically, I would suggest, they don't have this here, but automatically set up a meeting with you. So this is something we can help you with here at Liftoff Agent. And if this is something that you want, then comment down below with the word website. Number 6, your nurture sequence. Now, when someone goes through that process like I just talked about, and they download a guide or they fill out a form, how are we nurturing those individuals? Well, if someone goes to your website, you can plant a Facebook pixel and be running retargeting ads, something we do with our ramp up program at Liftoff Agent. You can also be able to capture them with their first name, last name, and contact information, like when they downloaded that buyer guide or filled out the form like I talked about earlier. Then you can automatically have an email sequence. You can send them like a 5 touch point email sequence. Thank you for downloading the guide would be like touch point number 1. 24 hours later, did you get a chance to open up the guide and would love to get your feedback? The next email could be like, what was your feedback in the guide? The next email could be like, I'm going to call you within 24 hours to make sure that you got everything that you need to get done. And then the 5th email or just your phone call could be the 5th point of interest, where you give them a call, you talk to them, and you find out where they're at through the sequence and through the process of going to your website, downloading the guide, watching your videos. So you want to make sure you have a very clear approach, so that way you can maximize the opportunity of follow back, follow up, follow through for conversion. Number 7, last but not least, when you return on vacation, what does it look like? Well, you should have already scheduled appointments on your calendar because of the fact that you can use Calendly.com with that process. You should have emails that are automatically going through, and now you have emails that you could check, and you can be able to call the leads that downloaded the guide, fill out the form, and anyone that went through warmly.com, you potentially can go through the process. If they didn't do anything on your website, you can go on social media and you can like, follow, and connect with them as well to be able to maximize those opportunities. So when you get back, I always like to leverage social media, Instagram primarily. You can use Facebook as well, of course, LinkedIn, and you can go through the process of connecting with them on social, go through the process of giving them a call, give them a text, and then of course, you're going to meet the individuals that are already going to be on your schedule. Now, this is something that I currently do at Liftoff Agent. When someone goes to the website, they book a chat with me. Like you may be watching this right now and now you're interested in liftoffagent.com. Well, there's a link down below and you can go ahead and schedule a no obligation strategy session with me so we can go through the process of being able to help you maximize what you could do, like what I talked about in today's video, so you can be on vacation, be at a ball game, be with your family, and not have to repeat yourself, and then have something that's automatically going to help you be able to build like trust. It's called parasocial relationships, and you can be able to save yourself a ton of time. So we hope that was valuable. If it was, do us a favor and like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'd love to get your feedback. Appreciate your time today, and we will see you on the next one. And best of luck taking your time back.